welcome back to Hardball, and today we're going to be doing the gun category on the every weapon. So, let's get into it. It's going to be so much fun. Trust me. Trust me. I still wish there was a portable mirror, but there isn't, so... The pepper box. I've never even seen an enemy use this, but I do use it. So I said that just in case you didn't hear me. Alright. First enemy of the wave. Are you gonna be in here? They always are in here. Oh, hello. No name. Bob always spawns here, so I thought it'd be Bob, but I guess not. Jesus Christ, was that the recoil? It was actually him just stepping down. And I don't have to blur out much stuff anymore because I'm not decapitating anybody. 2 Jamals? Did you just kick me? Okay, Jamal, I'll be a second. By the way, if you don't know what the pepper box is, it's like the earliest revolver. It's the first type of revolver. Before these normal ones were invented. So yeah, on the shotguns category, I'm gonna have to blur a lot of stuff. So yeah, should I not blur the decapitations in my videos? Because it's a lot of work. I'm not really terrible. I'm not gonna lie, I cook with a combat knife. How did all the bullets hit his gun or something? No, you're gonna tell me. Give me answers. Did you just kiss me? Get you. Oh no, I shoot his hands. By the way, no disrespect to the LGBTQ. I hope you're all... I bet you're all pretty cool. Oh, yeah. Ooh! I think I can do that with all revolvers, even the pepper box. Warthog James. Tiniest silence. Is this used in the James Bond movies or something? Because I just realised it looked like something James Bond would use. I know that's not because it's silenced, it's because it's small and silenced. So, yeah, it is because it's silenced. Why does he not even care? I just threw his teammate at him. Okay, I should probably actually use my own gun. They're on the way, time to shine. Give me a second to get the Samuel 911. Is this an M1911? Because it has 911 in the name and it looks like 911, just why? What the hell was that? I should probably start doing trick shots, Jesus. Well, I have already been doing it, but you know what I mean. Oh god, these guys are spazzing out. Hello, hello, hi, hello, bye. That's why I take his gas mask off. Right. Oh, you right. Right. That's it. Warthog compact. Oh, this looks like something from Fallout New Vegas. I think it is, to be honest. Oh, are you right? No, I'm not gonna say anything racist. No. No, that's bad. I wasn't gonna say the N-word, I would never say that. No, like, actually, I would never say that. That was serious. Oh, God. I just had a look at the blood decals. That happens when I shoot you. Well, not that, but like the animation of the blood when I shoot you. You guys are perfectly in sync. Talk about a killing streak. Alrighty, give me a second. Oh, it's my favourite gun, the Webley. And no, I'm not biased because it's British. Definitely not. No, definitely not. I have infinite ammo, don't worry. Jamal, listen. Whoa. We can talk about this. You stop firing, okay? You can become on my side, yeah? My side in heaven, don't ask. Shit. Oh. Let go of your weapon. Nope, let go of your other weapon. Sorry. Finally, Bob, I hadn't seen you in ages. I missed every single shot. So used to the melee weapons because of this series. I ain't seen you in a while. Oh, you're so lucky. Not anymore. You. I have no idea how to kill you, so I'm just gonna. Actually, never mind. That must hurt. Hello. I really want to blur my decapitation. I really don't want to blur my decapitations out, but yeah, I kind of have to. Otherwise, I'll get hunted down by the IRS. I'm joking, it's just a bit. But I really don't want to do this. I just want. I'm gonna post a short about it. Yeah, just give him a nosebleed. I'm not gonna give people nosebleeds. Let me have a look at that. Oh no, it's just because the bullet went through the gas mask and hit your nose. Why do we always get two Jamals? Never a single normal Jamal. You're so goddamn lucky. You just realise how brutal that is. I'm gonna unload my whole mag. And the next person I see, which is Bob. What coincidence. Is that another Bob? I really hope it is. Damn, already? The end of the video? These videos go by quick now. By the way, if you couldn't hear what I was saying, I was just saying how quick the video was ending. I know that you can't hear me when the music starts playing, so I took it into consideration. Who wants a helmet? You do! Are you Bob? I can't tell. Giving up yet? I'm actually going to sort out the settings to make the music turn off, so you guys don't have to listen to the music. You can listen to me instead. You can actually hear what I'm saying when I'm not in slow motion, so yeah. Yep, don't be shy. All gone, ready for more? Actually, no. Are you ready for the end of the video? Bitch. Please dance? Nope. I am ready to end the video. Shame. Alright, so this is the end of the video now. I hope you guys had fun. We're doing this one next, which I'm pretty excited for. I really love the sausage. I mean, it's just sausage. I mean, you can't go wrong with sausage. And I'm not dumb, so I'm gonna eject the mag. You see, it's not gonna